So okay, let's start. uh, and learn C programming, and it's my day 2. And today I share a programming C programming a interesting topic. It's pre and post increment and decrement. Same pre decrement and pre increment, and also post decrement, post increment. So let's say I restart. First of all, I define include std_h, then define so that's it. It's my basic program, basic function. So now I write. So now I define an integer number. This is x, that value like 21. Then after I print f, print this value of is x. D means this position, it's set my value x value, so that's why it is integer, so that's why I type D. So then now I call post. It's means post increment. Like first of all, this line print this value, print, then after all this is increment. So that's similar. This print a value of x. So second line I print its value of x. So let's see. What happened. So first of all, I compile this project GCC. Let's see. It's okay. I see error. What line error? So not such a file. incrc dot c rc.c. Okay, I understand. cd dot to. Okay, now I compile my project and run a.out. So let's see. Here is the first line value is 21, but second line value is 22. Why? Let's say this is a post increment. First line, this if you know the C programming language is working line by line. It's just first line, then second line, then third line. So first line here is say x value. They just print this x value after this value is increment. So that's why a value is increment 1. So add 1. So 21 add 1 to 22. So that's why second line print 22. Similar, I see some more example. Print is like post increment. Print pre decrement. Then pre decrement, sorry, previous is post decrement, is pre decrement, and last print this. So to say, can you guys gives this type of value, numbers line 7, 8, 9. So now run this project. First of all compile, then run. So I see the 21 is 21, this value is 22, but number line 7 is the 3 number 23. Why? Because it's pre increment. First of all increment, then print this value. So that's why I see increment 23. But the second line, it's post decrement. So that's why first of all print my previous value. He stored his memory, so 23. That's why he decrement. After all, he decrement. That second line, I see that 21. Why is minus 2? Because first of all, previous line minus for the post decrement is decrease 1. After all, it's pre decrement, so that's why also another minus 1 is value. So that's why it's minus 2, and I see that value is 21, and uh, last line is uh, whole of value x, like it's, so that's say my English is not good, so that's why I am not talking, I'm not understand good, so you maybe understand. So you have any question, you can comment me.